everybody. This is Michael Ilyaich from jurisq.com, a legal network where we bring you attorneys to answer frequently asked legal questions. And we have our frequent guest, our participating attorney, Michael Ilyaich, a founding partner in the law firm of Gregory, Spektor and Associates. Michael, welcome back.
Good morning. Good to be here, Michael.
It's great to see you. It's great to feel your energy. I know we're ready to go. And you use the same energy to pursue claims against insurance companies in court.
Oh, yeah.
And today we have a few questions that we looked up using special software to see what's out there, what are people interested in finding out about personal injury. And the number one question people ask on Google is, what happens if they were injured in a car accident and unfortunately the other driver that hit him had no insurance? As you know, it's actually a frequent problem, especially in New York. You see these cars with fake paper plates sometimes.
Unfortunately, it's a pretty common thing in New York, and pretty much, if not every other case has this issue, every third or fourth case has this exact issue.
How do you get compensated?
Okay, so let's assume you are a driver or a passenger in the vehicle that is registered in New York, that had an accident with another car that does not have insurance. What happens?
Yes.
Who compensates you for your personal injuries?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the vehicle you are in the state of New York, every insurance policy, auto insurance policy, has mandatory uninsured motorist coverage.
Okay.
In other words, insurance company of the car you're in steps into the shoes of that phantom vehicle or uninsured vehicle and plays the role as if they were the insurance company for that uninsured vehicle.
And Michael, you called it correctly, a phantom vehicle. Phantom meaning it's a ghost, meaning it's not possibly not registered, possibly fake plates.
Well, okay, so there is a hit and run accident, then it's a phantom vehicle if you don't know who it is, and then there is uninsured vehicle which remained at the scene of the accident but just happened to have no insurance. But in either case, same rule applies. The insurance company of the car you are in, either as a driver or a passenger in the state of New York, will cover your injuries under uninsured motorist portion of the insurance policy.
Okay, very good.
Q1 claim, in other words.
And what is the amounts? What's the maximum you can get?
In the state of New York, minimum mandatory coverage is $25,000 per person. Okay, and it really depends. If you are a car owner, what you do want to know, what you do want to do when you buy insurance, not only you should look for cheap rates, but you should look for good coverages. And how can you protect yourself as a policyholder? When you buy insurance, make sure the uninsured motorist portion of your insurance coverage is at least $100,000 or $300,000.
I see.
And the difference in payments would be $3 or $4 a year. So you understand how cheap it is. Okay.
Yeah, listen, you never know. You never know. Better be safe than sorry.
It's better whether you want it or not by default, but only up to $25,000.
Got it.
If you want to protect yourself, increase the limits. Okay, so
now let me ask you a question. That $25,000, is that only for bodily injury? What about the damage to the car? Let's say an expensive car, it's worth $50,000.
I'm talking about bodily injury only. I'm only talking about bodily injury. Okay,
got it.
As far as the car damages are concerned, if you had an accident with somebody who has no insurance or somebody who ran away, you better have a collision coverage on your own policy, which will pretty much cover you for that accident.
Okay, very good. Okay, look, to emphasize, to summarize what you said, you better look at your claim, you better look at your insurance policy and make sure you have the most comprehensive coverage, more than $25,000. You never know.
Preferably, if you can afford it, and it's not that expensive. Yes,
exactly. Because on the roads of New York, anything can happen. Better be safe than sorry. Michael, thank you so much. We appreciate for making it simple for us in lay person's terms. And we're going to come back to you with more questions. Please stay tuned. And again, today, what I will discuss, that's very general, okay? We're just educating you on what's out there. If you want specific advice, call Michael Ilyaich. He's the founding partner of law firm of Gregory, Spektor and Associates. The phone number is on the bottom of the screen. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.